my name is Bria Collier, and this is Restorative Massage. I am a medical massage practitioner who works really hard to help people heal and not just relax through massage therapy. I have traveled around the United States taking very specific classes that no one else in my area has, and so I am certified to help people during oncology treatments. I am certified in migraine relief, chronic pain, PTSD, and a slew of other classes and certifications. My whole goal is to help people heal. I want to work with you after you have tried everything else and nothing else works. I want to be your last go-to, because oftentimes what can happen is by working out all the muscles, I've been able to help my clients stop cortisone shots. I've been able to help one lady not have to be in her wheelchair so much after doctors and chiros and no one else was able to help. I'm currently working with a little boy who's about 8. When he was 4, he got into a car accident and is now paralyzed. And so he's in a wheelchair 24/7. And so he has a shoulder that is rounding forward, and then he slunges. And so his entire rib cage is all scrunched together. So when he comes in, what we do is we try to get that shoulder to come back, and then we're trying to get his ribs to stop being so stuck close together. So we have to work the very small muscles in between your ribs, and we are getting him to a position where he's able to breathe easier. He has more stamina. He is sleeping better because he's not in so much pain. But because of the pandemic, no one is coming in. I worked really hard to separate myself from all the other massage therapists around me, and this foolproof plan of being a medical massage therapist has now come back and bite me in the butt, because my clientele, a good majority of them are immune compromised, which means that they can't come in or they're too scared to come in, even if I'm wearing a mask. And so I have gone from being booked 4 to 6 weeks out pre-COVID to now barely able to get my week full. And the people who do come and see me are not even the clients who desperately need to be coming in. The gal who I was able to get out of her wheelchair so much, she's right back in her wheelchair. She's back to taking pain medicines. I have another client who has had to start getting cortisone shots in his back again because he's too nervous to come in and couldn't deal with the pain. The little boy that I'm working with, his mom is still having him come in, but I'm only able to work on his rib cage so that I'm not by his head, and that's what makes her feel comfortable. And so we're having to ignore almost the major problem with that shoulder, because until we get that shoulder corrected, he's going to keep slouching. It's been rough. I have watched everything that I have built with my 2 hands slip between my fingers. The past few months, we've had to use personal finances to help pay the bills for this, and we're not in a position that we can do that much longer. I would say that I maybe have about 3 months left. I'm asking for $35,000, which I know seems like a lot of money, but I am in where my office is located. I am surrounded by the beauty industry, and so a lot of my clientele are starting to struggle with getting headaches and migraines from all the chemicals that are being used by the hairstylists and the makeup artists. And so I had been saving up to expand when my lease is up, but during the pandemic I had to use all of that money, all of it, for just to keep current on my bills in here and keep my assistant paid. And this room isn't that big. My clients deserve something better. I was also going to get a hydraulic table because a lot of my clients, this table is too big or too tall, and so they struggle getting on and off the table. But that money's gone. had to use it for 1 month. They don't teach us stretching in massage therapy school, and so I actually was supposed to go to Arizona last June to become certified in stretch therapy. My room is so small that I am unable to practice that here, and so that was another reason why I wanted to expand, is because without stretch therapy, there's only so much I can do. Whereas if I am able to massage someone, get that trouble area completely relaxed, and then come back in and be able to reinforce what I just did and stretch out the problem area, the results are going to be huge. But now I can't go. One other thing that's special about this place is I have a pregnancy table that has a belly cutout and a chest cutout. So my pregnant clients can come in, they can lay on their belly. We don't have to have them sideline, meaning laying on their side and having them brace themselves so that they don't fall over. And we're able to, 1, get them ready for labor, 2, actually help them correct issues while they're pregnant, especially in their hips and their low backs, versus just putting a band-aid on the situation. This is my oldest son, Aben, and he had something he wanted to say.
My mom won the best massage therapist.
So last year I was voted best massage therapist in my town. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, for everything that you're doing. I'm so excited for all the businesses you've been able to help so far. My husband is obsessed with your guys' podcast, and half the time at dinner it's all he'll talk about, so thank you for that. And yeah, just thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.